How to put the same song on multiple Instagram stories. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're an Instagram user, you probably enjoy sharing stories with music. But what if you want to get the same song in several stories without having to search for it each time? So in this guide, I'll show you how to easily add the same song to multiple stories. So first of all, you have to open the Instagram application and make sure that you have logged in with your specific account. Now swipe right to enter the story mode. Now once your story is ready, tap on the music icon at the top, find your song, and tap on it and select the part you want to play in your story. Here's a trick for using the same song in multiple stories instead of searching for the same song again. Simply go back to your story and now create a new story just like before. When you're ready to add music to your second story, tap on the sticker icon or the music icon in the top. You will see the song you previously added in the recent section when you tap on the search music. Just tap on it and the same song will be added to your new story. You can now choose a different section of the song if you want to keep or keep it the same. And that's it. You know now how to use the same song in multiple Instagram stories without having to search for each time. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.